Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 10th, 2018, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, just one number coming out at 2:30 South African time, monthly PPI number coming out. Now this is mostly a inflationary related number that's coming out. No big surprises there, but let's take a look at the markets because it's been really crazy. Okay, let's see what's been happening. So this was a beautiful move yesterday. We spoke about this. We settled at 122.18, making this double bottom on the candle, okay, on the wick of the candle rather, and then breaking out higher, and then above our moving averages. We broke just above it, and we rallied all the way to 123.33-ish level. Okay, altogether, this is about a 100 pip move, okay, between this 122.18 and 122.30-ish level. However, within it, okay, taking a couple of days into consideration, it was 50 pips plus 50 pips. You know, that is a great scalping opportunity, okay? 30 to 40 pips to take out in a day. Great trade, you know, on one lot that's about 400 bucks. So, you know, to make that on a daily trade, fantastic, okay? So this is just a case in point that the markets don't have to go, you know, 300 pips for you to make some decent money, okay? Altogether, even if you were trading less than that, okay, a 0.5 position, you know, you could really take out of the markets 250 to 300 bucks a day. Okay, so this is a nice case in point of that. Now we've capitulated the move at 123.33 and we're retracing right now. Well, my guess is that we're going to sell off back to the 122.85-ish level and then bounce above it. Okay, so let's see if we do get that, because the markets have been choppy, so you have to acclimate yourself, your trading style, to the way the markets are actually trading right now. GBP USD, after this massive rally, we retraced, but not retraced enough. Okay, so what I'm anticipating here is that we're setting ourselves a nice, you know, baseline at 141.27-ish level. So if we do not sell off below that, I think we're going to go rally above 141, maybe close in onto this 142-ish level further in the week. So that's something to keep an eye out as that unfolds throughout the week. Now looking at the USD ZAR, we hit 1208, 1211 yesterday even, and then retracing right back down. Okay, so you know it's still, I believe it's still short. I still think that, you know, once we break this 12 level, we could come back to the 1190-ish level. However, okay, the rand has gotten significantly weaker versus the dollar. So if you do see that we're making higher lows here, or we're closing above this 1210-ish level, I would look to cover my shorts. But you know, I wouldn't short it just yet. I would wait for some sort of a bounce, maybe closer to 1208. You know, a higher probability trade. You know, limiting myself, you know, with my position here. So looking at the Aussie USD, a big turnaround here. We're getting stronger versus the dollar, 77.33, as you can see here on the daily chart. Nice little rally we had yesterday. Let's see if this will actually follow through. What's really, you know, frustrating, or at least encouraging, depending on your trading style, is that the market is not following through. We have these spikes. They come 1 day, 2 days, and then we retrace right back. And that's really indicative of what's been going on with the Dow Jones and, you know, some of the spat that is being exchanged between the US and China in regards to trade wars, in regards to increasing tariffs, etc., on Japanese goods being brought into the United States. Now, this is obviously affecting more directly the indices than it is affecting the currencies. However, on the back end of it, it's affecting the currency. So, you know, the Aussie USD has been really historically has been the one that's gotten stronger versus the dollar first. Okay, so we're seeing a little bit of a shift there. So it's not becoming a leading indicator, it's becoming a lagging indicator. And you can see here that, you know, as long as we don't break above the 77.43-ish level, we could see a correctional move. Now jumping into the USD CAD, now this is something really to pay attention to. It's gotten stronger versus the dollar, as you can see, and we're at a support level at 126.64, and if this does not break further down, okay, I would suggest that it's going to bounce higher. Okay, so that's something to keep an eye out as this continues to trade throughout the day on a 4-hour. And look at a daily chart. You know, that's really a pivotal move. because this has been support on multi-year. Okay, so if it does not break down, that's something to really pay attention to. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, it's up 400 points, down 300 points, up 400 points. You know, it's a seesaw. Okay, from last week, we rallied over 1,000 points from 23,300-ish level up to 24,300-ish level. Now, 24 is an important number. 25 is a more significant number. But as you can see, we've been trading, you know, just really very choppy. Okay, and the moves have been really extreme. So like I said, that's a real great opportunity for scalpers, but for position traders, you know, they'll find themselves week to week unchanged because, you know, the market just, you know, goes back down 1,000 points and then goes back up 1,000 points, and at the end of the day they're unched. So, you know, with that said, you have to acclimate your trading style to this type of trading, okay, until we find ourselves some sort of position where we're trending again. And you know, I don't see that we have set ourselves up for some sort of trending market yet. I mean, we've made a lower high here, but that there's nothing really to go by yet to solidify that this is going to break out higher. I mean, if it gotten close to the 24,500-ish level, maybe. So I got to keep an eye on that as that continues to trade through the day. Now the DAX is getting stronger, 12,396 here, as you can see, gapping up this morning. So like I said, I'd like to see some follow through in the market. We still have, you know, on the RSI, we still have some way to go on the upside. So that's translating also to the JSE. As you can see, we're just trading at support resistance level at 49,975, as you can see. So that's another one. Okay, if we don't break above 50, then I do think that we're going to correct ourselves and go down. But you know, usually these type of formations, as you can see right here with the candle, the wick, it looks like a exhausting. It looks like a hammer move. So, you know, with that said, you know, that's more of a bullish prediction, but you have to have that sustaining. You have to have that follow through. So let's keep an eye on it and, you know, play it by day because it is more of a scalping market. This is Fred Razak. I want to give you guys a great trading day. Thank you.